Okay, are humans the perfect animal for civilization? Let's find out. The first thing we need to know are the 2 or 3 criteria for having a good civilization animal. The first thing we need is cooperation. Cooperation is needed because many individuals have to cooperate to manage and run a civilization for a long time. The second thing we need is intelligence. Intelligence is very important. You have to be smart enough to manage an entire civilization. But let's ask 2 questions. But this raises up 2 questions. Are ants perfect for civilization? Well, it might seem like a weird question at first, but it's pretty simple that they are not. First of all, they aren't intelligent, but they are really good at cooperating. The next thing is, if they're not intelligent, why aren't chimpanzees good for civilization? Chimpanzees can barely cooperate in groups of 7 to 15 alone, let alone entire civilizations, though they are extremely smart. Then we have humans. But then we have humans. Humans are really weird because they're good at both of these things. They can cooperate in massive numbers, not as much as ants though. But we are also insanely smart. Well, not alone, but when a lot of people are put together, they can do amazing things like sending rockets into space. The next, but there might even be a third criteria, which is fire and agriculture. For what do you need this? You need this to climb up the technology tree to get things like rockets and other stuff. These are why? How? These are needed. Fire is needed for making it easier for your body to digest food, not raw. That means you can work more and you have more energy. Then the next thing is agriculture. Agriculture makes it easy to produce food and store grains for a long time. Then why do we need these to climb up the tech tree? You need these to manage a population. You need enough to feed an entire civilization. And a civilization is what is needed for the tech tree. Now, humans succeed in all three. But the last rule also mentions out fish, since fire. How could fish cause fire? Only amphibians would be allowed to do that. So, let's see if humans succeed in all. Humans are really good at cooperating. We're also really intelligent especially when we're in groups. And humans are also are terrestrial animals who have mastered fire and agriculture. That is why humans are the perfect animal for civilization.